Here I've got ID2ME ID1, and let me show you how to find IMEI number on the following device. So at first open the phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *#, 06 pound. And here it is. Here are your IMEI numbers. You've got slot for 2 SIM cards, so that is why you've got 2 IMEI numbers here. Tap on OK to go back. And let's go to the second method. So let's open the settings at first. Then scroll down to the very bottom of the list. And click on About Phone. Then go to Status, so it's the second option. And you will notice here IMEI information, which is here. And now you've got IMEI numbers there. So let's go back, and here you can also check the serial number, so it's the very last tab here. So that's it. This is how you are looking for IMEI number in ID2ME ID1. Enjoy and check it whenever you need to use it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.